Hi traders, Nathan Bray here from ACY Securities. Well, around the world right now, money is moving into the safe havens. Let me paint you a picture. So let's start with gold. Gold is catching a bid and in a very strong uptrend at present, and that isn't going away too quickly. We've also seen another safe haven in that we've seen stocks sell off. Okay, a little bit more riskier than bonds, and we've seen stocks sell off pretty significantly in the US, up at key levels, and we've seen bond yields drop. So bond yields were pretty steady around this 3.5%, for example, on the 10-year yield, dropped down to about 3.38 in about 24 hours. So money's coming out of stocks into another safe haven in bonds. What do you need if you want to buy US treasuries? Well, you need US dollars. So there's another safe haven. We're seeing the US dollar really get a bounce, okay? A quarter bid yesterday, right down at a major weekly and daily support level around this 101.20 level. I've been banging on about this US dollar index level from 100.80 to 101.40 area, saying this is a major level of support. Price could have a chance to hold here because the longer term trend is up. Now, if money's moving into safe havens, and the US dollar is a safe haven also that we've seen during previous crises, whether it be issues in Europe or whether it be COVID, we're seeing yesterday a reversal engulfing candle, as pointed out by our own senior market strategist, Duncan Cooper. So if we see a reversal continue here, there will be strength, therefore, to this US dollar. Now, a lot of pundits have been getting out there and suggesting that this US dollar, it's all over. It could be the end of the US dollar. We could be moving into another situation. But folks, inflation is still around. Money's moving into safe havens. So I'm not writing off one of those safe havens like the US dollar yet. So therefore, the key levels I'm looking for is, for example, this euro against the US dollar, this 109.75 area. We're right at it right now. So if the trend is going to continue higher for euro against the US dollar, that will be the level I want to see hold. If we get a break below there, then that could be some more evidence of strength moving into the US dollar. And the pound dollar failed beautifully. As pointed out here last week, up around this 125. If we continue to see lower tops forming there could be some amazing opportunities to short those pairs in line with a strengthening US dollar as a result of money going into safe havens. The markets, folks, are still in a consolidation phase right now. Yes, we've got some money flowing into safety assets, but at the same time, we have got some data coming out. I know consumer confidence came out worse than forecast. However, existing home sales then came out better than expected. So when we're consolidating, keep in mind, as we pointed out over the last couple of weeks, the market is going sideways and could become very volatile during this market condition. That's all from me, folks. Have yourself a great end to a trading week.